Hello everyone, a new year has started. It means we gotta set up our bullet journal for 2021. I'm using a Loiton medium A5 secured hardcover notebook. Wow, the name is so long. Anyway, let's get started. The first section is a future log. It's a little bit pain in the ass to write down the same things over and over, and it takes a lot of time. But I like having calendars here because it looks beautiful when it's done and it's useful. After writing down calendars from January to December, I mark important events for each month. For example, birthday, anniversary, school or work events, and vacation plans. Basically, these are something I don't want to miss. It's my first time to use this section. I just created this year. I would call it year at a glance. What's the difference between future log and year at a glance? I'm going to fill in this page when each month is over, unlike future log. I'll explain why I made this page. Every 31st of December, I felt like I haven't done anything. Of course not. I've done something, but I just don't remember much. If I track what I've done each month, I'll be probably motivated more and my life will be full of different activities. So I made 7 different categories so far: people, travel, health, language, book, movie, achievement. By the end of January, I will write down who I'm at, where I've been, any workout I've done, what I've studied, read, and watched under January section. The next page is monthly. I try to make my monthlies with the days of the month going straight on the left side. It looked simple and clean, but it wasn't convenient to see schedules at a glance. Ever since that, I'm using a calendar type and I'm satisfied with it. I set up tasks of this month under the months bar. I use it to make a habit tracker after monthly. You can check out how to make it from the link above. But this year, I decided to get rid of it from my bullet journal because it's so much easier to check my habits on Notion application. I'm going to track down something else. I want to add a time tracker on my bullet journal to maximize my day. I made a time tracker in Excel and printed it out every other week. I wrote down what I've done, how much time I spent for doing it, and then highlighted by color. I use pink for main job, which brings me money, or work that is related to actual achievement. Orange is for something that supports the main job. Preparation, planning, researching, checking bills, taking a course can be highlighted by orange. In other words, you don't get any money from doing these things, but it'll help you make money in the future. Green is for personal activities. For example, anniversary, hobby, volunteer, family time, and religious activity. Blue is for self-improvement. It can be reading a book, workout, attending seminar, and learning something that is not related to your job. Purple is for human network, meeting friends, community gatherings, etc. The last one is gray. I use this color for time that I wasted, such as checking social media and meaningless web surfing. I'm trying to minimize this gray color, but it's not easy at all. Okay, the last page is a gratitude log. Every day when I wake up, I write down 3 things that I'm grateful for. It helps me start the day with a positive mind. Now my bullet journal for 2021 is ready. Before you go, I want to share my story with you. I was a person who bought a diary with full of motivation every year, but gave up using it in the middle of February or March. Then I felt guilty buying a new diary. After using a bullet journal method, I don't feel guilty of not writing for a few days. It doesn't matter if I've skipped 4 days, because I can start again whenever I want. I hope this video helps you start a bullet journal. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Bye!